Prudent means thinking carefully before acting. A prudent person makes wise and safe decisions. In simple words, prudent equals careful and wise. What does prudent mean in daily life? A prudent person thinks before speaking. A prudent person plans before spending money. A prudent person avoids unnecessary risks. Prudence helps people avoid mistakes. Very easy examples with explanation. It is prudent to save money. She made a prudent choice. More simple example sentences. Be prudent while crossing the road. A prudent student studies regularly. Prudent planning saves time. Daily life situations. Parents are prudent with money. Drivers must be prudent on roads. Students should be prudent before exams. Student-friendly sentence. It is prudent to study daily. Important point to remember. Prudent people are not afraid. They are just careful and smart. Easy memory tip. Prudent equals think before act.